In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Brush for targeted edits in Artistly AI. The Magic Brush is actually an in-painting tool that lets you edit only specific parts of an image without changing everything else, giving you precise control over your results. First, open your generated image and select the Magic Brush tool. Then brush over the exact area you want to modify, such as the face, clothing, background, or any small detail. Next, write a clear instruction for only the selected area. For example, you could say change jacket to black leather, enhance eye detail, or replace background with a night city street. The key is to stay focused on the brushed region. Don't rewrite the entire image prompt. Only describe the change you want in that specific area. If the result isn't perfect, adjust your selection or refine your instruction and try again. This helps you avoid full regenerations and gives you more control over accuracy, consistency, and quality. And that's basically it. Using the Magic Brush in Artistly AI makes targeted edits faster, cleaner, and more precise. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.